In today's world, there's a great demand for Python developers, and also you know that AI, data science, and many other fields depend on Python because of its simplicity and power to manage all these heavy tasks. So I think it is high time to learn Python. And for that, we have started a Python tutorial series. And today in this video, we are going to see how to install and set up Python in our computer. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. To install Python, we have to download the setup file from Python's official website. For that, let's get into our browser. And here, let's type Python and hit enter. Click on the very first link. This will take you to Python's official website. And here, if you hover on Downloads tab, you can see a section for Windows. You can either download a Python install manager or Python's official setup. I recommend you to download the Python standalone installer. Just click on it. Once you click on it, the download will be started. Once the download has completed, open the folder where you have downloaded the setup file and double click on the setup file. This will open a dialog box. To install Python in your computer, make sure this option is selected, which is Add Python to Path. This will add Python to system's global path so that Python can be accessed from anywhere in the computer using command prompt. Click on Install Now. Once you click on it, Python will be installed in your computer just like any other software. And once it is completed, you can simply close the setup. For now, I'll just click on Cancel as I have already installed Python in my computer. After installing Python, you have to verify whether Python is installed in your computer. For that, open your command prompt. And in command prompt, just type Python space --version and hit enter. This will give you the current version of Python installed in your computer. And this tells us that Python has been installed in our computer successfully. After this verification, we are ready to write our Python code and run it. For that, search for idle. This is an inbuilt Python shell which will be installed along with Python in your computer. This is used for executing Python scripts. For example, I'll use print and print hello world and hit on enter. So this will print hello world in the shell. But this is not the actual way of writing Python scripts. We use something called IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment. Using IDEs is the more professional way of writing Python scripts and running them. There are many IDEs available in the market. For Python, there is PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and many others. Throughout this tutorial, we'll be using Visual Studio Code. To run your Python scripts in your Visual Studio Code, you have to first install Visual Studio Code in your computer. And for that, go to your browser, search for VSCode, click on the first link. This will take you to the official VSCode website, and here just click on Download for Windows. This will download the setup for VS Code in your computer. Wait till the download completes. Once the download has completed, open the folder where you have downloaded your VS Code setup. Double click on the setup. And just like any other software, just accept to the agreement. Click on Next. Make sure you have enabled this Add to Path, which does the same like adding VS Code to the global path so that you can access it from anywhere in your computer using command prompt. Click on Next. And if you click on Install, it is going to install VS Code completely in your computer. I'll click on Cancel as I have already installed VS Code in my computer. I'll close everything. And now let's open VS Code. Search for VS Code. When you open VS Code for the first time, you'll get a dialog box where you should configure your theme and other settings as well. You can do it on your own. It won't take much time. And after that, you'll get into this screen, which is the welcome page. This shows whenever you open VS Code. And here open extensions, which is over here. Extensions are nothing but the plugins which you can install in your VS Code. This will make your IDE better, and also it makes your development easier. I'll show some of the extensions which I use. For Python, I use the official Python language support from Microsoft. You can just click on install and it will be installed in your IDE. And I also use Python environments, Python debugger, Pylance. Pylance will be useful for indicating the errors in our Python code before running it. And I also use Prettier, which is a popular extension used by many developers. It is mainly used to structure our code in a beautiful way for more readability and understanding of the code. Under themes, I use Autumn 1 Dark theme, which does the job for me, and I personally like dark themes, so I installed this theme. There are many other themes available. You can just search for themes in the search bar and you'll get many themes for your VS Code. And yeah, these are the extensions which I use for my Python development. Let's close this extension tab and move on to File Explorer. Here you can open the folder where you have to save your Python files or Python project. To open a folder, click on Open Folder. Navigate to your folder. In my case, it's Tutorials, and I select it. Once you open the folder, it will be empty. You have to create a new Python file here. For that, click on the New File button. Type the name of your Python file here. I'll just type hello.py. Always remember, Python files will be saved using the extension .py. I'll write the same thing here, which I wrote in Python's idle shell. Print hello world. And use Ctrl+S to save your Python code. Always remember to save your Python code after writing it. Once saved, you can run your Python program. For that, click on this tab. This will open a new panel in your code editor. Here, you have to just navigate to terminal. By default, this will open PowerShell. We don't need that. So we can click on the drop down and select command prompt. This will open command prompt directly in our VS Code. Let's delete this PowerShell. It is not required. And after coming to command prompt, you can use the Python command Python followed by the Python file name. In this case, it's hello.py and hit enter. This will run the Python code in the hello.py file. We have got our output here, which is hello world, which I have printed using print statement. And this is how you write Python program in VS Code and run it. So in this tutorial video, we have seen how to install and set up Python in our computer. In the next video, we'll see how to properly structure a Python project and what are the correct syntax for writing Python program. If you like this tutorial video, then smash the like button and hit on subscribe and set that notifications to all so that you'll get notified when the next video goes live. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for next tutorial video. Until then, keep coding, keep practicing, and keep watching Simply Yahya.